for.
Okay, I want my shoes on.
JoJo, go. Come on, spiders.
Alright, watch them, watch them.
You got this, guys. You can do it.
Come on, guys, you can do it.
Make chest bumpers.
They're gonna start fighting over one of the rocks. It's mine. You got it, JoJo.
Josie, you're the spider lady.
Ready? 1, 2.
Come, go to this side.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Going so high in the air? Huh? Yeah.
There you go.
Bird, look at you go, buddy.
Good job, Josie.
No more, you're too heavy.
JoJo, you're doing good too.
No more, no
Wow,
more.
you guys are strong. Awesome.
You're gonna go in the middle, and you two are gonna go on the edge. She's staying right back over here. Come here, sorry. I know, huh? Yeah, you get to go, you can go.
Yay, JoJo.
Go ahead, Spider-Man.
Got it.
Coming down? Do a sick pose when you get up there. You got it, man.
There you go. Oh, that was a good
Your own Xbox One is waiting for you at the top if you could get there.
You got it. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Whoever goes highest.
Good job, JoJo.
When I get a
One more victim left.
Good job, Josie. Good job, William. Look at you
Can you go in the middle?
Hey, go first. Hey, up here.
Good job, pal. Look at that. You only have a few more feet. William, Seagull, Seagull. Seagull, Seagull. Uh-oh. Shut up, Dad.
Coming down?
Thinking about it.
When you're done, just let go of the wall.
Let's go, William. Let's go.
Let's go, William. Let's go.
Let's go, William.
Let's go.
Let's go, William. Let's go.
Yes!
Let's go.
Couple more, buddy, and you're there.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Stand firm.
Yeah. Now fall. Let go of the rope and it'll let you down.
Let go, yeah!
Yeah.
Good job.
What do you got to say?
Hi. I'm tired. That hurt.